Hello everyone, we are solving problems on the superposition theorem. Okay, in that next question is relation between V1, V2 and I is given as shown below. Find current I if V1 equal to 10 volts and V2 equal to minus 5 volts. This is the relationship between this network and this is table. Okay, if you observe here, if V1 is 2 volts, this is 2 volts, V2 is 0 volts. 0 volts means short circuit. Okay, this is short circuit. Then the response or current flowing through this branch is 0.5 amps. Okay, if V1 is 0, that means if it is 0 means this is short circuit. V2 is 5 volts. Okay, this excitation or input is 5 volts. Then current is minus 1 amps. Okay, if you observe this is indirectly is given as superposition theorem data. Only one source acting alone, the response is like this. Another source acting alone, the response is like this. Okay, he is asking if V1 is equal to 10 volts, V2 equal to minus 5 volts, then I equal to how much? From this data, so what is V1? V1 equal to 2 volts. This is I equal to 0.5 amps. If you multiply this 2 volts with 5, V1 into 5 is equal to 2 into 5, you will get 10 volts. Okay, so you got this one. That is, if excitation is multiplied with some constant K, the response must be multiplied with same constant. What is that constant here? 5. So 5 into 2.5, sorry, 5 into 0.5, you will get 2.5 amperes. Now consider this. So V2, from this data, if V2 is equal to 5 volts, what is I? I is equal to minus 1 amps. If this V2 is multiplied by minus 1, V2 into minus 1 is equal to 5 into minus 1, you will get minus 5. So you get this one. If V2 is minus 5, so I must be multiplied with minus 1. So I is equal to minus 1 into minus 1, you will get plus 1. So this is 1, this is 2. If V1 acting alone, you will get 2.5 amps. If V2 acting alone, you will get I is equal to 1 amp. So by superposition theorem, so what is the current? Current is equal to, let it be I1 and let it be I2. I1 plus I2. So I is equal to 2.5 plus 1, 3.5 amps. Next question is, for the following circuit, find Vx by using superposition theorem. This is the given circuit. Whenever we are solving the problem by using superposition theorem, only one source must be acting alone. Other sources are, if it is current source, it should be replaced by open circuit. If it is voltage source, it should be replaced by short circuit. And dependent sources are keep as it is. Okay, from this, so case 1, I am considering this 1 volt source. If 1 volt source acting alone, the current source must be open circuit. That is, we are replacing the internal resistance of current source, that is infinity. So if it is open circuit, the circuit becomes like this. Okay, this is the case 1. So response due to 1 volt source, let it be Vx1. So it is also Vx1. So control variable also Vx1. This is open circuit. If it is open circuit, the current flowing through this branch is 0. So we can exclude this 5 ohm resistor because there is no current flowing through this resistance. Now let the current flowing through this circuit, okay, only we have one loop, let it be I1. So what is I1? I1 is equal to, so what are the sources? This is one source, this is another source. Okay, these are connected in opposite directions. Opposite direction means this plus is connected to this plus. So 1 minus Vx 1 by 2 by, this is 1 and plus 1. Okay, this is 1. So what you are getting? 2 minus Vx 1 by 4. Let it be equation 1. From this element, here the control variable is present. So what is Vx1 by Ohm's law? Vx1 is equal to I1 into 1. So that implies Vx1 is equal to I1. So from 1, what we are getting? Vx1 is equal to 2 minus Vx1 by 4. From this 4 Vx1 is equal to 2 minus Vx1. So Vx1 is equal to 2 by 5 volts. Okay. Now case 2. Case 2 is current source acting alone. If current source acting alone, the voltage source is replaced by short circuit. Then circuit becomes like this. Okay. Let here this is Vx2 because in case 2 the response due to 1 ampere source is Vx2. Let it be some Va. This is node voltage Va. Apply nodal analysis at Va or write the node equation for Va. So what you are getting? Va by 1 for this branch. Okay, when we are applying nodal analysis, so the assumed node is at highest potential. Okay, this node is at highest potential. All currents must be leave this node. Okay, so this is Va by 1, but this current is entering to this node, that is current coming towards to this node. It is minus 1 plus Va minus, so this is plus, so Vx 2 by 2 by 1 is equal to 0. It becomes, if you observe this circuit from here to here, okay, this Va, this node voltage Va means this node voltage with respect to reference node. Here it is reference node, so from here to here it is Va. This voltage and this voltages are same. Okay, the voltage across these two terminals and these two terminals are same. So what is Va now? Actually Va is equal to voltage across 1 ohm. Voltage across 1 ohm is, direction is reversed. Here the direction is reversed, so Va is equal to minus Vx2. Substitute this value in this equation, you will get minus 2 Vx2 minus 2 Vx2 minus Vx2 is equal to 2. So from this, what is Vx2? Vx2 is equal to minus 2 by 5 volts. Okay, so by superposition theorem, what is Vx? Vx1 plus Vx2. So this is 2 by 5 and this is minus 2 by 5. Here we got 2 by 5 and this is minus 2 by 5. So if you add these two, you will get 0 volts. Same question we can solve by using nodal analysis. Okay, so I will show how to solve it. Let it be Vb. This node voltage is Vb. So we have only two nodes. This is reference node and this is Vb. So we need to find Vb here. Write the node equation for Vb. What you are getting? So this is one branch and this is another branch. This is another branch. So Vb minus 1 by 1. So this current is coming towards to this node. So it is minus 1 plus Vb minus Vx by 2 by 1. What you are getting? Vb minus 1 plus Vb minus Vx by 2 is equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. Okay, if you observe this circuit, here this is plus. Okay, this node voltage is with respect to ground or reference node. Okay, from here to here this is Vb. 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 Okay, now apply KVL for this loop. Okay, so what you are getting? Let it be current direction like this. So here current is leaving the positive terminal, so it is minus 1, and here current is entering, so plus Vx, and here current is entering, so plus Vb is equal to 0. So from this, what is Vb? Vb is equal to 1 minus Vx. From 1, this is 2 Vb, so 2 into 1 minus Vx minus 2 minus Vx by 2 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2Vx minus 2 minus Vx by 2 is equal to 0. So plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. So you will get Vx is equal to 0 volts. So in the both the cases we get same answer. In the next video we will discuss some more problems on this concept, that is superposition theorem. Thank you for watching.